Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Zorp is an easy to use no code platform where you can build your own internal tools for any use case. It could be something very simple like a data collection form, or something really complex like managing your whole warehousing operation or a delivery for your own products or your D2C brands. Building a workflow on Zorp is very easy that it takes less than 10 minutes to do that. Let me show you today how to build an app for an after sales service application. So building a workflow on Zor has three steps to it. Configuring the steps, configuring the data fields, and configuring the components. So steps are pretty much self-explanatory. It is the steps that your own uh, operations person, that is your service guy in this use case, is gonna do. So what are the steps? Basically, he looks at the customer's details on his phone screen. The next, he's gonna reach the customer's place, assess what happened to the device or product that is malfunctioned, and on the third step, he's gonna fix it and give the feedback as to how he fixed it or what he fixed. So these are the basic three steps. So that is exactly the same we have to just create on the job builder. Let's name the first step as customer details. Let's add a step in between, which is going to be pre-service. So these are our four steps. And once your steps are ready, you just connect each step to the other. Done. So your workflow is now ready. Next, what do we have to do? We need information, that is data, to either show or collect. So to show the data, we need the data fields. So you click on this option and start creating your data fields. Let's take our first step, which is the customer details. What are the details that we want to show? It's going to be customer's name. It's going to be a text data field. Yeah, it is mandatory and we need it during task creation. We'll create that. Customer's mobile. It will be a number data field. Same thing goes here. And then we'll have the customer location, issue type, so that the person is ready with whatever spares he needs to go reach and fix the issue. Product name. And then on the pre-service, so pre-service we would need what is the issue that he sees, issue description, not during task creation because we're going to get it from the person and it's not involved during task creation. Get a pre-service image, and on the post service we get a post service image. We go to get payment amount, how much they have to charge the customer. and the customer signature. Yeah, so we have all data fields ready. Next, we go on to the screens that are linked to the steps. On the customer details, we have our own mobile app screen builder. Over here on Zorp, we have a variety of components which can be used to configure the screens. Let's use a text component. So we can use this to display customer name. And since we want to show this data dynamically, the syntax used on Zorp is pretty simple. You just refer it as task.data dot customer name. Use a similar one to show customer mobile. And let's use a map component to show the customer's address so that it's easier for the service person to just navigate and reach there. We also need to show him what the issue type is and the product name. Type. Let's add product name here. Yeah, so our first screen is ready. So the user is gonna read the customer's name, see the number, call him up, fix an appointment, use the map component to navigate. Clicking on this icon is gonna redirect to Google Maps and he can navigate, reach there, understand the issue, and start working on it. So the first screen is ready. The next screen is pre-service assessment. So we were gonna collect issue description here and click photos before he fixes the application. So we use the input component, text input. We're gonna name it as issue description. I'm sorry, it goes here. And we want to save this data into the data field that we created. So we click on this icon, it opens up a pop-up. We navigate under task, under data to the data field that we created, which is issue description. Click and save. That's as easy as it is. So whatever details the user enters into this component gets saved into issue description. Next, we have a camera component to click pictures. So the same behavior. You click on this icon and link it to the data set. Pre-service image. Save. We can configure if he can upload it from the gallery or camera only. Here I want him to upload just from the camera. Minimum of one image and maximum of three images. Next we move on to the post service screen. So here we're going to collect after service images. On the post service screen, we want the user to click images of the appliance or the product after he has done his service. So and we ask him what is the amount he has charged. Let's store the data too. Okay, I pulled in a wrong component because this is a text input and we created it as a number data field. So the component and data field type needs to match. So a number component is where we can store a number data field. Yes. And finally, the customer signature. Finally, on the completed screen, we can just give a message saying the task is completed. And we're done. So we have designed the steps, the data fields, and we created our screens. Let's name our app. Going live doesn't need any deployment, any downloading of code, nothing as such. You just hit publish and your app is ready to test. Our workflow is now live. To test it, we need to create a task. We select our task type that we just created, select the team that is going to do this. So we've created a task now. Let's assign it to a user that's going to do this. Yeah, the task is now assigned to the demo user. Let's head on to the mobile app to see how it looks. Hey guys, so this is the Zorp mobile app. It's available both on Play Store and App Store. You have to just download and log in with the user credentials that you create with the users option on the Zorp web app. So every task assigned is going to look on the home screen as a task card. So this is a task we just created and assigned to the user. Click on it and you can see all the details that we gave in task creation having gotten evaluated and shown to the user. Once the image is uploaded, user clicks next. and done. We have completed the task. So we created and tested the app in less than 15 minutes. That's how easy it is on Zorp. Sign up right now and start building your own apps for your own workforce. Thank you for watching.